Hi everyone, here we've got Honor 7C and let me show you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So if you want to make it shorter or longer, then just follow all these steps. So first of all, we have to enter the settings. And now let's simply tap on the display. And as you can see on the second position, we've got the sleep option. So let's tap on it. And here we've got some options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Now we've got 10 minutes applied, but if you want to change it, just tap on the time you want to use. For example, 5 minutes. Just tap on it, and as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So that's all. This is how to change the timeout in your Honor 7C. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.